Good afternoon from Grand Family Farm, and a happy Groundhog Day. Apparently it's going to be in the early spring. Sure hope so. Sure is a beautiful day today. Well, got everyone fed. Petunia is enjoying her grain along with a piglet. Harold's got the other 3 piglets over here, and he's sharing his grain. The ducks and the chickens are happy. Some corn the mice got into, so she threw it out the gate. The ducks like eating it. It's just what's left over there. The mighty mouse hunters are looking for the mice that keep getting in our grain bags. Here's my cat. I wish the cat would come in here. He's a good mouser. He's probably after mice that the dogs took outside. They did catch a couple. Here's the outside piggies. First I'll walk up here and that one pig. Thought I was gonna give them some more grain. Yeah, they love that grain. Need a pig? These little piglets right here need new homes. Yep, all 6 of them. Sally found another walnut. Here the goats are enjoying the sunshine. Here's on Brandy. There's Molly. Well, it's about 15 after 5. Sun's going down. So we're going to call it a day for being outside. Hopefully this weekend stays as nice as it was today. The ground is starting to dry up a little bit. That's good. So, well, anyway, I do thank you very much for watching. Have a great evening.